This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Frank Struck. Updated duplex in the heart of Fort Lauderdale. Both units have recently been remodeled. The first unit offers a spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout with a den and an open floor plan, perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with loved ones. The second unit is a cozy 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, currently leased at $1,700 per month, providing a great opportunity for additional income. There is plenty of off-street parking for 4 or more cars, and each unit has a private fenced backyard area. This property is conveniently located close to everything: Wilton Manors, beaches, Los Olas, and more. It truly offers the best of Fort Lauderdale living right at your doorstep. Don't miss out on the chance to own this incredible duplex in a prime location. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Struck at 646-594-5656.